How to create hyperlinks in PDF 2025 for free. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be telling you how you're going to be able to create hyperlinks for yourself in PDFs in the easiest way. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to a website called pdfescape.com. Now, right over here, you're going to click on free online. And once you click on free online, it's going to bring you to a PDF editor. So what we're going to do over here is you can upload your very own PDF, or what you can do is you can start creating a PDF. Now that depends on you on whatever type of PDF you want to go with. So let's say I'm going to go with this PDF right over here. So once you upload it, it doesn't take a lot of time to open up. So just wait for it for a few seconds. And once the PDF has finally opened up, what you can do from here is you can start adding your very own hyperlink. So let's say I want to add a hyperlink over here, right? So to do so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to link. Once we come over to link, what you're going to be doing over here is you're going to hold it and you're going to drag it down here, create a hyperlink like this, and you can link anything. So let's say I want to go ahead and link a YouTube link over here. So once we do that, we're going to click on OK. And once you click on OK, what happens in that case is it's going to show a hyperlink over here. So currently you're in the view mode, but if you go in the edit mode, you can move it around as you please. And this is basically how you're going to be adding hyperlinks in your PDF. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.